back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're gonna do something exciting because we are going to unbox Lazada's mystery box. So, I was supposed to do this vlog before my last vlog, but it took us a while to wait for this to arrive because we ordered this for like almost 2 weeks ago, but it just arrived the other day. So I did the trying the Korean food first. So it says here, the best trendy mystery box, vlogger's choice mystery. Best mystery box with chance to win brand new phones, gadgets, and mobile accessories. So my mom and I bought 2 boxes, and this cost for 199 pesos. But yeah, plus the delivery fee. So that made us pay 542 pesos for these boxes and also for the delivery. So let's start. This is unboxing Lazada's mystery box. So to open this box, we're gonna need scissors because we don't have cutter. Dili na to kung saan mga butang kung wala dito. Actually guys, my mom is right there. She is more excited than me to open this box. Because I told her not to open it yet because I will be doing it for my vlog. So she's right there. Hey ma. Ay. Oh my god, I heard this. So this is the 199 pesos or $4 for each box. We got 3 items for this box. The first one is spinner. This is, it says magic suction cup mobile phone bracket, liberating hands. Do as one wishes. It's vacuum absorption, not damage mobile phone. Holder. Holder. So, first item, we got this. It's like a phone holder. So, not bad. So, for the second item, for this box, is we got a selfie stick. So, this selfie stick cost like 100 pesos here. It's local, but not bad. I mean, I think we can still use it. Yeah, I can use it. So, a selfie stick. So, let's try the selfie stick if it's working. It's big.
Bruh.
Let's try it, let's try it. Another one. Smile! So, yeah, it's working, guys. We just tried it and it's still working, so it's not bad. And for the last item for this box, we have earphones. Samsung Galaxy S8 plus 8, but like not really the original, but made in China. But not bad. I mean, you know, buying this box is still, buying this mystery box is still a risk, because you can't really say that you can get like the iPhone that they were saying, but if you get these kind of items, it's not really bad at all. So let's try this if it's working. Ma! The phone! Oh, it's working, guys, and yes, it's not bad. It's nice. It's nice, guys, and it's working. So, so let's open the second box and the last one. Oh, nice. My mom just tried the cell phone holder that we got. And it's really nice. Because you just have to stick it right there. Uy, Palawan. Dili ni sponsor.
So, let's open this.
Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives it up. Where I always go. Finally, you put my love on top. What I love. So, wow! For the second box, we got the first item, the mini USB fan. Oh, I think insert fan is the adult band. Fan motor seal. So I think it's a fan for your phone so that it won't overheat, I think. But I think this one cost like let's say 80 pesos here in the Philippines, so it's still not bad. And for the second item, for the second and the last box, we got the portable fan. Ooh, it's all fan because here in the Philippines it's so freaking hot.
Bruh.
But it's not bad. We get the portable multifunctional fan, rechargeable fan, a fresh summer. Ooh, it's rechargeable, guys. It's not bad. If I would give this a price, I think here in the Philippines, this is 150 pesos, 100 to 150 pesos. So we have to put some battery right here. So it's not bad, guys. For the last item, we got OTG. Oh, OTG. Oh, for this, mother knows best. So I think this is for the portable fan, so we can just charge it here. Okay. No, I know. No. So this is not for the mini portable fan, guys, I guess. But we still have one battery. Oh, it's for this. So we don't have to buy a battery because it has a charger. It's a charger. So let's try.
Here, will it charge?
So we still have to charge it, guys. But I think it's gonna work because so far, from all the items that we've opened, everything is working. So I hope this still works. Which I'm sure that it's gonna work 100%. So that's it for the mystery box, guys. We got selfie stick, the portable fan, mini fan, and the phone holder, and the phone fan, earphones, oops, earphones, OTG, charger, I don't know what that is, but yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items for the 2 boxes, so it's not bad. I mean, you can't just like, maybe the phone is not really for us. My mama is laughing. Tingog sa baka tawa sa kagalit tingog. So, I think it's still worth it. The money we paid, 548 pesos. It's 548 pesos. It's still worth it because it's not bad to try. But yeah, it's still nice to like try things like this because I just, maybe we're just not lucky or just got lucky. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you guys plan to like buy the mystery box, maybe you should give it a try because who knows, maybe you'll get the phone or anything like that because we got the accessories, so it's still not bad. So I'll see you in my next vlog, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want me to do something, challenges or anything, feel free to comment down below and I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you on my next vlog. Ciao!